Hi, I'm Shreyesh. I'm a Nepali graphic designer who lives in US. So, how do you get into graphic design? In the beginning, I thought graphic design was just making books, making posters, making logos. I didn't know what to expect. I just knew I wanted to get into art. I wanted to do an art field. I wanted to make money off of this field. That's all I knew. I didn't know what graphic design was. I knew the basic of it. I knew some parts of it, but I didn't know what it was. If you're in the same boat like I was back then this video is for you. So, before you do anything, you have to know what you're good at. This might mean you have to try new things. Which one you like the most, you start doing that. This is extremely important because this is the foundation on where your design works are gonna go in the future. For me, it was photography. I did photography for a while and I loved it and I still love it. And I try to make my designs off of my photography or get influenced by my photography with like shapes or the way something moves. So after you know what you're good at, try to master the software that you need to be good at that. For example, with my photography, I started off with Photoshop. I slowly learned how to do it. And it was this foundation that made me improve in my career. After you master the software, you need to invest in yourself. Invest to improve yourself. The very last and final thing you're gonna have to do is make a portfolio so you can showcase your work to your clients or even to land that dream job you wanted. And that's how you get into graphic design. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them. This is Shreyesh, and I guess I'm out.